The state attorney general is getting tough with HSBC tonight. He is suing the banking giant. This major lawsuit claims that HSBC made foreclosure a living nightmare for thousands of homeowners. News 4's Al Vaughters is live in the newsroom with details. Al?
Jackie, when banks file foreclosure notices in New York, they're required to ask the court for a settlement conference to give homeowners one last chance to stay in their homes. Eric Schneiderman claims HSBC has been sidestepping the law, leaving hundreds of cases sitting on a shadow docket in court. The Attorney General filed a lawsuit against HSBC Bank and its Depew-based mortgage subsidiary, accusing the banking giant of foreclosing illegally on thousands of New York homeowners.
When a bank like HSBC flagrantly disregards the law and systematically hurts homeowners all across our state, they have to be held accountable.
Schneiderman claims HSBC violated the state's homeowner protection program called HOP, which requires banks, when foreclosing on a mortgage, to file a request in court for a settlement conference within 60 days. Tracy McClary of Buffalo says in her case, it took HSBC more than a year and a half to file the settlement request, trapping her in a mortgage that sank her deeper into debt.
I'm currently working 2 jobs to try to make these payments, which are now almost double the amount of my original home loan.
Schneiderman estimates the actions of HSBC and other banks have turned home ownership into a nightmare for 25,000 families across New York.
They're in foreclosure. They don't have anything to do. They can't renegotiate. They're not sure whether to pay or not pay, and they do go further and further into debt.
County Executive Mark Polenkarz adds the homeowner protection program is designed to help New York homeowners salvage their homes by working out their financial problems with their banks.
If you do fall behind in your mortgages, you do have an opportunity to get out from it, and you don't fall under this endless cycle where you're stuck in a home that you can't pay for and the banks refuse to move forward and your house is in foreclosure, which destroys all of your credit.
HSBC issued a brief statement today saying the bank is committed to compliance with all applicable laws, including those related to foreclosure, and will respond appropriately to the Attorney General in this matter. Schneiderman says he's already looking at other banks, notably Wells Fargo and Bank of America, that he believes are also engaged in abusive foreclosures. Al Vaughters, News 4 at 5:30.